What's up, MTM? It's Henry.
And Stephanie.
And in today's MTM Wolf News, we're going to be going into all of our MTM cooking classes. We're going to be interviewing students, talking about the highlights of their classes, and giving surprise taste tests.
Today we're going to go into Miss Alfaro's class and taste test and interview the chefs in the baking, get it?
What's up, Wolfpack? It's me, Henry, and today I'm going to be interviewing
Mariah.
And how do you spell it?
M-A-R-I-A-H.
Okay, so I got some questions for you. Okay. My questions are going to be revolving around your cooking class and what's your opinion on it, okay? So, my first question is, what do you do in Miss Alfaro's cooking class?
We cook desserts and, so on Wednesdays, we do cooking, and then on Fridays, we do dessert.
Okay. What type of desserts or dishes have you guys done so far?
So the first dish we have only made was cookies, but by now we are cooking pizza.
You wanna show me how you guys are making your pizzas?
No.
Ooh, that pizza looks amazing. So what was you guys' steps and process to making the pizza today?
So as we didn't use this type of dough, but we use this type of dough.
Okay.
And we use pizza sauce,
Okay.
cheese, and pepperoni.
Somebody got in trouble.
No, he's leaving.
Oh, my bad. He's going home early.
Safe.
Okay. So my next question is, what do you want to see in your cooking class?
Like, I want to see progress of we can do this at home, how we can cook it at home, and it's as easy as steps.
Okay. That's it for today. Thank you, Mariah.
You're welcome.
Hey guys, I'm back with our star Mariah, and we'll be taste testing the pizza today. Ready?
It's easy.
Okay, Mariah, you did your thing. Good job. Alright, I'm gonna give it 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10, y'all did your thing. Good job. Wow, guys, that pizza was so good. Now we're gonna be moving on to Mr. Tooney's cooking class. Let's go, guys.
Hi, I'm Chef Arrogante. I'm here on vacation from the Monsterverse. Magnifique. I'm going to give some of my advice to these newbie chefs. Not bad, but can you cut like 10 times faster? Much better. Merci. Bland! Add more salt! Good. That's much better. That looks like a delicious sauce. Good enough to put on my deconstructed Belgian waffles. Merci, MTM. I'll be back later to talk about something else later.
We're back, guys.
And that will be the conclusion for our MTM Wolf News. Guys, that was our MTM's culinary arts of the food, desserts, and yummy things.
So to sum it up, what they said today was that they enjoy being able to make food and hang out with friends. And now that
wraps up our Wolf News. Bye, everybody, and stay alpha.
Hello, everybody. It's me again, Montanius Sucker Punch. I've been trying my very hardest, and I still can't find the monsters. Here's a list of suspects. The Hamburglar. And Henry. Some other mysterious person. That's the whole list. No one else is suspicious. Especially not me. You can trust me. Anyways, I just can't narrow down who this mysterious monster Nampa is pictured here in this new police sketch. Anyway, since we are still working on getting the monsters back, it might be a good idea to bring in a friend of mine to give you something fun and new to play today. I'd like to welcome back Chef Arrogante.
Bonjour tout le monde. I am Chef Arrogante, and today you are going to use artificial intelligence to make some food that might be magnifique for your monsters. Is your monster a carnivore? Maybe it wants some bacon or some steak. Is your monster a vegetarian? What kind of plants do they like to eat? Are they an omnivore? They want both meat and plants. And last is insectivores. Yuck! Go to clipdrop.co. It is also linked in the Google Classroom assignment. And click on Stable Diffusion XL. Then type in what kind of food your monster would eat. Be descriptive. The more descriptive the sentence, the better the results. Then download it and upload it here in the Monster Cook-Off assignment. We are going to showcase some of the most interesting generations in the next Wolf News. Chef Arrogante will be on hand to roast your creations. Anyone who turns in a picture of the food generated from ClipDrop will get a Minga point. Follow the guide if you need help. It's also in Espagnol and François. Passez une bonne journée et bonne chance pour être créatif.